No matter how old your parents are, whether it is 100 years, just 2 weeks ago, I went to celebrate with one of our elders in the church at Kayama, who clocked 100 years and was still reading without glasses and was still walking without support.